for the exam prep as such, we almost try to read from the first year itself, as our
Yeah.
seniors are telling you should read from the first year itself, from all the sort of a standard textbook. But reading from all sorts of standard textbook in the first year gets really hectic and really difficult. I'm
Yeah.
like, hats off to those who are able to manage their residency duty and reading those standard textbook. But for
Yeah.
me, it was really difficult. So
Yeah.
by the end of first year, I was like, कि what I have done, I have no idea. I haven't read any particular standard textbook. मतलब to consolidate it.
Hmm.
So it was feeling very difficult and overwhelming. Like there is so many things in the standard textbook. Even after reading it once, you are not able to consolidate anything out of it. So I was
Hmm.
really scared at the end of the first year, and it was during the beginning of my second year, e-conceptual came into the market actually. So that
Mhm.
was such a big relief for me. Like the now you have some sources to which you can look up to
Mhm.
even if you haven't read your standard textbooks thoroughly. I guess many of the students will be able to correlate with me ki, yeah, during their residency it do happens with them also, like as we have heard from our seniors that you have to read this standard textbook, that standard textbook, but the end of your residency you're like, I'm not even anywhere where my seniors were. So
Yeah.
with e-conceptual, that thing have become very much easier for me.
Mhm.
I was able to look into different videos of e-conceptual, and e-conceptual is more of a like every video of e-conceptual is like an amalgamation of a standard textbooks and the recent articles which are there. So
Yeah.
I don't have to spend like 3 or 4 hours for a particular topic to
Yeah.
read it about from the standard textbook and go and look into a recent article, and all those were available to me at one particular sources with less amount of time.
Yeah.
So that
Amazing.
was really helpful.
Yeah.
So I had this habit when the e-conceptual was launched that I'll be seeing 1 or 2 video on day-to-day basis and more number of videos whenever possible for me. As the e-conceptual was also in a building phase, so not much of videos were there.
Yeah.
But e-conceptual went ahead of me, and then I had a backlash of videos. There were a lot of many videos which were pending from my side. So by the end of my second year and mid of my third year, before my theory exam,
Mm.
I almost completed 70 to 80% of the e-conceptual.
Wow.
So that was a relief for me. Ki I have seen something and I know something that I'll be able to write in my exams. It is not like that I have read something but I'm not able to consolidate out of it.